The earth doesn't belong to us, we belong to the earth. In the heart of Meghalaya, far from the busy cities and crowded tourist spots, lies a secret waiting to be discovered. It's a place where the time slows down, where the world feels untouched, and where nature reigns supreme. Welcome to Tyrshi Falls, nestled in the town of Joy, a hidden gem that seems to have come straight out of a dream. Here, the world seems quieter. The cascading water of Tyrshi Falls, tumbling from great heights into a crystal clear pool, is a sight to behold. It's a natural masterpiece, one of those rare places where the beauty of the earth shines unspoiled. The water, so pure and refreshing, flows endlessly, constantly reshaping the landscape, leaving behind a breathtaking, ever-changing tapestry of nature. Surrounded by dense, untouched forests and towering cliffs, Tyrshi Falls is a sanctuary for both eyes and the soul. As the mist rises from the water below, it blankets the surrounding area in a soft, ethereal glow. The air is fresh, crisp, and cool, filled with the scent of earth and the song of the forest. A symphony of birds, insects, and the wind rustling through the leaves is definitely a place that feels timeless, where nature has remained unchanged for centuries, untouched by the hands of human development. For those brave enough to venture off the beaten path, the journey to Tyrshi Falls is an adventure in itself. The trail leading to the falls is as wild and beautiful as the destination. As you walk by the paddy fields, then the forest opens up to reveal glimpses of cascading water, a promise of the wonders that lies ahead. The trail might be challenging at times. You get closer to an experience unlike any other. It's as if the very forest is welcoming you, guiding you to this hidden treasure. When you finally reach the falls, you stand in awe. The sheer force of the water as it crashes into the pool below is exhilarating. The sound, deep and powerful, echoes through the valley, creating a symphony of nature's raw energy. It's a reminder of the power and the beauty of the natural world, a place where you can truly feel the earth's heartbeat. But Tyrshi Falls is more than just a beautiful sight. It's a sanctuary for the senses. The air filled with the fresh mist of the waterfall is refreshing and rejuvenating. The cool, crystal clear water invites you to dip your feet in, to feel the natural current, and it flows beneath your skin. The surrounding forest offers moments of peace and serenity as you find yourself lost in the sight and the sounds of nature. It's a place that calls you to pause, to reconnect with what truly matters. But with the privilege of experiencing such unspoiled beauty comes with responsibility to protect it. This place, like so many others, is fragile. The delicate balance of life that surrounds the falls is easily disturbed, from the smallest insects in the forest to the towering trees that have stood for centuries. Everything here plays a vital role in maintaining the ecosystem. As visitors, we must remember we are guests in this sanctuary. Our actions have consequences, and it's our duty to ensure that Tyrshi Falls remains an awe-inspiring as it is today. Take nothing but good memories. Leave nothing but footprints. That's the promise we must make, to respect, preserve, and protect the wonders of the nature for the future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Tyrshi Falls. May you carry its peace with you wherever you go, and may we all do our part to safeguard the wonders of this earth for those who will come after us. Hit like, subscribe for future content. Bye.